For some, the dream is NLSIU Bangalore. For others, it's NLU Delhi. But every dream begins with the first step, and that step is Legal Edge. From Delhi to Bangalore, Jaipur to Kolkata, we are there wherever law meets dedication. Starting from our Bhopal center,
we now have more than 50 centers across India.
Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, Gwalior, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bhilai, Raipur, Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, Amravati, Mumbai, Nagpur, Ranchi, Chandigarh, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Mathura, Prayagraj, Patna, Kolkata, Tiruvananthapuram, Hisar, Rohtak, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and so on. Knowledge should be available for all. So not only at our centers, we also provide the same guidance online. These aren't just buildings, they are spaces where futures are built. Classrooms where reasoning meets clarity. Libraries where legal knowledge turns into life lessons. From All India Open mock tests, from boot camps to focused marathons, every corner breathes ambition. At the heart of it all stands our Bhopal head office, where ideas turn into impact. Back in 2011, it all started with a whiteboard and a vision to not just teach, but mentor law aspirants. From a small batch to a nationwide movement, Legal Edge has become a trusted name in law entrance preparation. The mission was clear: to combine smart strategy, deep mentorship, and student-first thinking. Here, we do not just have subject experts, we have mentors. For them, clearing a concept is as important as solving a doubt. Every student is paired with a mentor who supports not just academics, but their mindset too. And when the guidance is right, results speak for themselves.
From AIR 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9,
we have not just created toppers, we have nurtured their belief. Year after year, Legal Edge proves, with the right system, any dream is possible. Every year, mentors, students, and visionaries share one stage. It's where stories are told, ideas are exchanged, and the entire Legal Edge family celebrates growth together. At Legal Edge, we prepare students not just for exams, but for life. Psychology support, wellness sessions, chai pe charcha. We make sure every mind is calm and every heart is confident. We celebrate festivals, we host marathons, we reward 100% attendance, boot camps, sports day, no bag day. These aren't just events, they are memories that shape character. Legal Edge isn't just an institute, it's a family where every student isn't just chasing a rank, but writing their own story. And every Legal Edge campus is a launch pad for the next generation of legal leaders.
तो अगर ड्रीम है लॉ स्कूल का तो टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. योर लीगल करियर स्टार्ट्स टुडे. विजिट लीगल एज भोपाल सेंटर और कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर टू एनरोल नाउ. लीगल एज भोपाल, इंडियाज #1 CLAT preparation institute.